In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit USDC on Polymarket. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have your Polymarket account. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a referral link in the description below where you will get special offers and a bonus on your first deposit of at least $20. So after you create your account, you can deposit by clicking this button and then click on transfer crypto. And right here, you can see the list of the supported tokens. So at the top, you should see USDC, or you can just search for it right here and then select the chain or the blockchain or the network you want to use. So for example, let's say you want to deposit USDC on the Solana network, which is probably the most common. You can do that and you will get a QR code which you can scan, or you can also deposit through this deposit address. Just paste it on your wallet or your exchange and you can send any amount you want. For example, in this case, the minimum deposit amount is $3, and depending on the blockchain you are using, it might change. So that's it. After a few minutes or seconds, you should have the gas ready on your page. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.